Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your trampoline like that over there. It's very simple. All you got to do, lay out all the parts of the trampoline. These are the extension legs or legs. This is the top of the frame, the circle. And these are the bottom of the leg or the base, the W, shaped like a W. This is a used trampoline, that's why it's rusted, because this part is on the dirt, the ground, so it's gonna get rusted. That's okay. You can get some spray paint, metal spray paint, and spray it back. You can sand it and spray it. This is the W base frame. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to lay your top of the frame, the circle. You want to lay this upside down to set it up like that, or you can just start from the bottom however you want. With this setup here, this one, I think this is a 12 feet trampoline. I just started with the bottom. I just put the bottom W base, the legs, the extension legs, one of these, the top circle part with the connection like this, and then you put one without a connection, and however you want to do it. And then you lay the mat out, put the springs in these notches, the spring holder, and you start from one side, put a couple of springs here, and you put a couple of springs on the other side, and other side, and just stretch it out, and then you go around and you tension the jumping mat. So I think this is the easiest way to set it up. You put it upside down. Just have to put one of these pieces here, one of the circle, the top circle frame, one of these, and you have to put one of the other circle top of the frame, this top frame here with the connection, and then you just slide them in. Some of them have screws, some of them don't. You just fit it in, and when it's all fitted together, it's going to hold by itself. And then you put the extension legs, or the legs. Put these legs in with the part that has the indentation, like the grooves. You put this in here like this. Like I said, some of them have the screws. This one doesn't have the screws, so it might have a small hole and a bigger hole. So the smaller hole goes inside, and then you take the W part, the base of the leg, and you just insert it. And these some are long and some are short. So this one here, this is a long one. It doesn't fit on this side, so you put them around. I just spreaded the mat here. This is an old mat. And then when you finish putting everything together, you're gonna turn this upside down, and then you're gonna start working with the mat. And what you will need is a pliers, a hammer, like a rubber mallet. You can use whatever you have, a screwdriver, and the tool that it comes with. It comes with a pulling tool. It's like a long tool, and it has it's bent on the end. Or you can use just one of those pullers. Okay, so I found my rubber mallet, and what you want to do, you want to tap on the bottom of the base, make sure it's seated in. And I'm using this hook puller to hook the spring. Be careful with the edge if you have one of these, but the tool that it comes with is something like this to hook the spring, or you can just manhandle it, just grab it with your bare hands and just tug on it and put the spring in. Alright, so once you finish, I'm not gonna set this one up, I'm just showing you how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, so once you flip it over, you're gonna have the frame, just a frame like this, set up with the top frame circle, the extension legs, the bottom base frame, the W, and then you want to take all your springs. See, I just do it in my one hand like this. Okay, so I just pull it like this, just pull it back and just hook it in. For some of the springs, when it's new, it's not so flexible. So what you want to do next is hook all your springs like this, and the part of the spring that has more space on it, on the end, you hook it on the frame, and the end of the spring that has the less distance here, the space, you hook it on the mat connection here. So you want to hook all your springs like this and leave them, and then spread the mat in the middle, and then go around. You can hook this side like this. Okay, so you hook it one side, north, south, east, west, like that, or 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then you go around, and then you put the spring on. It's gonna get tighter once you put the springs on. And you want to even out the springs. If you have old springs, some are like loose, you're gonna notice if it's like really loose, you just put a tighter spring, a shorter spring, and put the one that's loose, that's stretchy, that's all stretched out on like another part of the mat that has more distance between the frame and the mat. So once you put your mat on, you want to put the spring cover, or the mat protection cover, whatever you want to call it. Just want to put it like this, and you just tie it on the frame all the way around. Make sure you don't forget your screws and your hardware. You put in these ones here come with a screw. The other one that I was showing you doesn't come with the screw, it's just fitted together. The bottom doesn't come with a screw, just these connection part here, and the part where you have to put the safety net, the pole for the safety net. You put in the screws here with this spacer. So once you put all of that and your poles up, the net pole, then you put your net. The net is simple, you just put the net from inside, and you tie the net on the mat hooks. Tie it here, has strings on them, and then you string it on the pole. Some of these poles, they come with these flexible pipes here, and you put them inside. These notches here, or some of the nets you just tie it on the top, and the pole has to face this bent part here has to face inside to attach the net. And that's it. It's very simple to put together. That's how you put most of your trampolines that comes with six legs. The bigger the trampoline, it's gonna have more of these legs, these square legs to hold it. The smaller is gonna have probably like 4. This one has 6. And that's it. It's very simple. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video. If you have any question how to set up your trampoline, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to see more videos. Share the video, and thanks for watching.